uniform on, I have my apron on, and I'm all ears to JL who will be showing me first the parts of ito kung ano yung mga gagawin namin dito as barista. So, JL, ano ba yung mga kailangan ko unang malaman?
So, unang-una yung we have 3 different types of coffee beans.
Okay.
One is the
Do we have it here?
yeah.
Okay.
We have Arabica, Robusta, and Liberica. So, the difference between the two, when you say Arabica, siya yung medyo oval siya. And then,
Oval, okay.
Yeah, oval siya, and then medyo curve yung pinaka, yung line niya. And then, pag Robusta, this one,
Ano yung mga differences niya? Mas malasa ba?
mas
matapang?
low yung caffeine content ng
Arabica.
yeah, ng Arabica, and then mas high naman tong Robusta.
Okay.
Yung Robusta bilog. So circular yung Robusta, and then straight yung ano niya, yung pinaka-curve niya sa loob. This one, ito.
Okay, alright.
So,
that's Robusta. So we have Arabica and then we have Robusta. Okay.
More on caffeine ng Robusta.
Okay.
And then less caffeine content ang Arabica.
Okay. Alright.
So yun yung 2 types ng beans na ginagamit dito sa coffee beanery. And then more on equipment side. This one is the espresso machine. We use this for espresso shot.
Okay.
And then siphon for brewed coffee.
For the brewed coffee.
And then
that drives success.
Thank you so much, Sir.
Sure.
Thank
Sure.
you. Grabe, nalula ako dun.
Alam mo, Iko, you need not be intimidated because just like in any other business, kahit gaano kalaki, kayang-kaya pa rin.
Well, RFM started back in 1957 bilang kauna-unahang flour mill sa Southeast Asia.
And just look where they are now, tulad na lang ng mga iba pang beverage business na i-feature natin mamaya.
Teka, Chal, nasaan na may kadugtong na apprentice ko?
Iko, don't worry. Parating na, okay? Sa pagbabalik ng pinakabigating business show ang Go Negosyo Big Time!